Let's explore how to set up your Qwaiting account after signing in, covering how to configure services, counters, staff, and customer-facing screens, and finally, how to manage live queues. Once you sign up, you'll land on the dashboard where all the main features are accessible. To set up your account, the first step is adding services. Head over to the Service section, click Add Service, enter the service name along with other details, and click Create. Your services will now appear both in the service list and on the customer-facing ticket screen. Next, let's set up your counters. Go to the Counter section, click Add Counter, name it, select its location, and click on Save. You can add as many counters as your business requires. After that, move on to adding staff members. Navigate to the Staff section, click Add Staff, and fill in their name, email, username, then assign them to specific counters and services they'll manage. Once saved, they'll show up in your staff panel for easy management. After this, we need to set up a customer form, in case if you want any information from the customer before they generate a ticket for that, you need to go to Setting and then Manage Form field, and then you need to click on Add New Field. Once you open, you need to add field. For now, we will add name as a field, then fill other details and then select that, for which service you want this field be shown, and then click on Save. So the form will be shown to them after they generate a ticket. Now, let's see what your customers experience. Whether checking in via mobile or web, they'll get a link or QR code leading to your walk-in or appointment portal. They can choose walk-in or appointment, select the service, and enter details like name and phone number. After submitting, they'll instantly receive a ticket with a token number. On the staff side, once tickets are generated, staff members open the call interface where they see all waiting customers on the right. By clicking Next, they can call the next customer, transfer, send to another counter, close, finish the ticket, missed, mark if the customer doesn't show, recall, send a reminder, and move back, return the customer to the waiting list. Meanwhile, the display screen shown on a public monitor in your lobby keeps everyone updated by showing the current ticket number and counter, helping maintain a smooth and organized flow. Once the services over the customer do get the feedback form, so we can keep a track, the customer is satisfied. Altogether, this complete system improves visibility, speeds up service, and helps your team make better decisions and plan resources effectively. And that's a wrap. We hope this walkthrough helps you get started with Qwaiting. If you have any questions or would like to see a live demo, don't hesitate to reach out to our team. We're always here to help. Thanks for watching.